Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip because spring kind of coming and I love this color combination that I lately used a lot, and I will say, oh, it's time for a flower. So this is something was wrong with my camera. I already started with my flower, so first one was extreme sheen gold, and this second one was artist loft metallic cobalt, and this is pearl white, and this is permanent alizarin crimson, and let's add some gold extreme sheen again, and quinacridone burnt orange. Whoa, this one is probably thick. This one is Vallejo heavy body. Just I obviously forgot to match the consistency with water with this one, but hopefully it will be okay anyway. Okay, better now for the next round. And pearl white and Amsterdam azo yellow middle. And I will go with the gold again, and I will do the cobalt one, and I will add this alizarin just right after that, and some pearl white, quinacridone better burnt orange, and azo yellow. And I will switch my cup now. But before that I will just draw some lines with skewers, and I need my paper towel and the skewer. You hear my roaster. It's probably not from roaster, but oh, turn this around. Okay, and I will do gold again, and the cobalt. course my clock. I love these sounds of my childhood, I will say, when, I don't know, life was different, I think. And I'm not so old, and I think that world changed a lot. The world changed a lot. I don't know about you, but that's how I feel. Let's remove this cup. I'm a little afraid what will be in this middle. I will go in this heart shape today. I like it already. I just hope that it will be okay with the napkin part. That could be, not could be. It's hard part, the hardest almost. Or it is the hardest probably. Okay. Instead of the music in the background, when I'm quiet, you have my clock and the roasters. So. Wow. Wow. I think that it's perfect. And I don't know how long ago it is when I said that some of my flowers turned out perfect. Of course, there is no such thing like perfection, or it is. This is a perfect flower for me because the shape is amazing. Colors look stunning together. Shape is just amazing. Can't wait when it will develop a little more. I will just spread this to even my background a little bit, even up, I should say. Okay. It's not centered. If you are, or me, would look for imperfections in this perfect flower. to my taste, at least. You will see probably what I'm talking about when I will bring you for a close-up in just a bit. Just a few air bubbles here. And here will be a close-up. I think that most of you will be with me with this one, because it's just so beautiful. Just enough lacing, almost any man part, one, but I can live with one because flowers have one, two, but otherwise, you see these veins, and they're just amazing. Every part of this flower is amazing for my taste, and the center. I really, probably I will say that this is my favorite flower with flower dip technique that I ever made in my whole journey. I think that I didn't manage to get this beautiful flower before. So, yay! It's a beautiful day. Oh, there's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, such a perfect day. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.